I picked the mother-in-law for the A1 level SL session because I figured most people have heard about or are interested in the classic issues between a daughter-in-law and her mother-in-law. A story that's easy to predict is also easier to understand. Most A1 students know the word mother, but mother-in-law might be new to them, so I thought this story would be a great way to introduce that term. Plus, it's just a good story. The daughter-in-law cannot stand her demanding mother-in-law and hates the old Chinese tradition of having to obey her. Eventually, she gets so fed up that she wants to kill her mother-in-law, and she asks her friend for help. Instead of saying, "Don't do that," her friend actually offers to help. I thought the twists and turns in this story would really grab the listener's attention and take them to the end of the story. And I guessed that the unexpected ending would be a hit with the audience. When I asked the students what they thought about the story, it turned out I was right. They liked the story and enjoyed hearing it. The reasons they liked the story were just as I predicted.